wash our hands.
Which we already did.
And we need 2 cans of
Condensed milk. Here you go.
And 2 cans of
evaporated milk. We also gonna need some
cinnamon
and a little bit of
vanilla.
So we're gonna need a bowl or a pan and some can openers.
Yep. So you might wanna need an adult to help you out. So
to open the cans, right?
Yep.
This first. So we're gonna use the can opener.
So we can open the cans and pour the cans in.
Here, me. Very good, Cami. Good job. We're gonna open both cans of evaporated milk. Cami, just put it there. Because we're gonna need the cans for a little bit later. Right, Camila?
Yep.
So what we're gonna do, what we're doing right now, Camila?
Pouring the cans in.
And what else?
And opening them.
We opening the cans.
Also want use a spoon for the condensed milk too.
There you go. We grab a spoon, and after you put it there,
you go into the can and then get the condensed milk out. We're just finishing up putting the condensed milk
and the evaporated milk together, and now
we're gonna pour. And now
we're gonna mix it, Camille. Okay, so we're gonna put this away and we're gonna mix it. There you go. We already finished with the can openers, but we put it away. And Camila is mixing it like dancing salsa. While Camila is mixing the evaporated milk and the condensed milk, we're gonna use the same cans we used from the evaporated milk and fill it up with water. So we already filled this one with water all the way to the top, and we're gonna put it also with the mix. And Camila gonna keep mixing it. We're gonna fill out the other one. All the way to the top. We're using the same cans. So if you use 2 cans of evaporated milk, you put 2 cans of water too. Camila, let's show the people how it is looking. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay, so now
we add
some
vanilla.
And it's gonna be 2 tablespoons of vanilla.
2 tablespoons of vanilla into the bag.
This is 1. And this is gonna be
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of vanilla.
And now we're gonna add some cinnamon.
Some cinnamon. The cinnamon, you're just gonna put it however you like it. You like a lot of cinnamon, you put a lot. If not, we just put a little bit. Here, Camila, just start adding. While Camila is putting the cinnamon, I'm gonna continue mixing it.
Wait.
There you go, Camila. Squeeze it. There you go. What do you think, Camila? You think that's enough?
Yeah.
Hola. So Camila is going to continue mixing it while I'm going to get the cup prepared right now.
This might take a little while to get the cinnamon into little pieces. So yeah.
And we are using small cups to put the mix together. This is what we call limbers de leche.
So the batch is almost ready.
This is how it's looking. And now what are we going to do, Camila?
We're gonna get a big spoon and we're gonna grab some of the batch and we're gonna pour it into the cup.
Just a little bit. And we continue doing this to fill out all the cups. You can stop mixing it already, Camila. Stop. Put the mixer over there. Up it.
We're putting the cups in the pan so it'll be easy for us to put it in the freezer.
And with these 2 cans of each milk, you're gonna get a lot of limbers for the whole family.
Yep. We still have like one more row to finish, right?
Yes, like one more row. And then we're gonna put it in the freezer.
We're gonna put in the freezer and then we're gonna continue this piece. And then we're gonna continue the video in the night so the limbers can freeze.
Yes, so we have to put it in the freezer and wait for
So we already wait at least 5 hours for the limbers to be ready. And now we're gonna eat them. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.